Okay, language explorers, so let's look at today's Monday noun. So let's have a look at price. Very good. Very nice. Price. Price. The amount you pay for something. The amount you pay. Pay for something. For something. Like, how much is this book? What's the price? Oh, £3. The price is £3. Okay, £3. The cost to achieve, create or do something. The cost. How much you need to do something. The price is high. This price is very cheap. Yes. So we could then say you need to pay a high price for that. The prices are too high. The price is too high. The prices are quite fair. Like, yeah, fair. Fair. I don't like these prices. These prices? Oh, no thank you. Yeah, but those prices I like. But I like those prices. Makes sense. So that means then that price is singular and prices plural, 2+. Price, prices. These books have different prices. These books have different prices. Yeah, all these books have different prices. Different prices. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. So, she was surprised at the price. She was surprised. Whoa. Surprised. Yeah. But the price makes sense. Yeah. Of course it's £3. Of course. Yeah. Very good. We are thinking about the price, what price it needs. How much should we price this book at? How much should we price this book at? £3? Well, anything really. Anything. The price could be anything. The price could be anything. Anything. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. And they'll pay a heavy price for that mistake. A heavy price. For them to do something, they will pay a heavy price for that as a penalty. They will pay a heavy price as penalty for doing that to me. Penalty, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. So, but I think they will price it differently in the future. They'll price it differently in the future. Who knows? Yeah, all sorts of things they could do. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So yeah, price, the amount you pay for something, and price, singular, and prices, plural. So, Can you, language explorers, write price in your own sentence? Comment below with that sentence. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.